my gift, because I like surprises. You know, when it's open, the person to see it easily. So it's the tip of the rope that is the hand of the gift bag into the opposite hole, and then pass the other one into the side of the box. I pull it together, it makes it firm and covered. I do the same thing to the other side, and I hope you can see me clearly. Sometimes you have to be very careful so that you don't have to tear the box while trying to knot it up. So this is a perfect job, a surprise gift box for your friend or your fiancé, whoever you plan to give it to, or your Valentine. This is beautiful. Can you see? And it's easy. It's the same opening. Watching.